And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
We're so grateful to Tina Heron and our counseling team for teaching us how to make our school a better place. Let's start with hello.
Start with hello. You can ask somebody's name. You can give people footsteps. You can invite them to play. Be kind all the time. Start with hello. Start with hello.
Hey, Sea Lion community and McGaw families. I want to take a moment to give a huge thank you to Girl Scout Troops 1202 and 8304 for their incredible work in beautifying our McGaw Elementary campus over the President's Week's holiday. Over the course of 3 hours, these dedicated scouts installed a brand new fence display for all of Seal Beach to see. Their hard work and creativity have truly helped make our school shine. A special shout out goes to the troop leaders and community members who came together to support this amazing project. Your dedication to our school and community does not go unnoticed, and we are so grateful for your time and effort. Thank you again, Troops 1202 and 8304. Your commitment to service and teamwork makes a huge difference. Rah McGaw!
This is Sea Lion leader Ben Hauser with this week's announcements. Read Across America begins on Monday. Justice will be visiting classrooms to spread the joy of reading. Sea Lion chorus rehearsal is this Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's be safe during drop-off. Kindergarten is going on a field trip to the farm on Tuesday. Listen to your teachers and have fun. Pageant rehearsal is on Tuesday after school. Keep practicing your dances. Tuesday is the 120th day of school. Students with 6 or fewer absences will get the newest brag tag. McGaw appreciates your outstanding attendance. College Day is on Wednesday. Wear your favorite college gear and share where you want to go to school. ASB from the high school is visiting Sea Lion leaders on Wednesday at lunch. Get connected and see how being a leader can enrich your life. Final pageant rehearsals on Wednesday after school. Keep fine-tuning your dances for the big show. Pageant is finally here. Sea Lion scholars get to watch the show on Thursday and Friday. Friday is the deadline for the poetry contest. Good luck, writers. The entire Seal Beach and Los Al community is excited to watch the latest pageant of the arts on Friday and Saturday evening at 7 p.m. Have a great show. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great day.
Hey, you got a book. Yay. Have fun, okay? Hey, what's that? Nice. Way to go.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's start it off with a raw buck for TK student Tyler Rose from Mrs. Barr's class. Tyler was such a great listener and was always ready to get started and helpful to his classmates. Thanks so much, Tyler.
Kindergarten.
Our next raw buck goes to a student from Miss Fox's class. Congratulations to Charlie Elder. It says here that Charlie helped clean up centers that she didn't even play with. Thanks so much, Charlie, for taking care of your classroom.
First grade.
Mrs. Rojas wants to celebrate first grader DJ Walker. She said that DJ was a great listener when it was time to clean up. He picked things up that weren't even his. He is a great example to his classmates.
Second grade.
Miss Ryan wants to shout out the kindness of second grader Kaya Ehrenberg. She said that when her classmate forgot a spoon for his lunch, Kaya kindly went back to the tables to get him one in the freezing rain. Thanks so much, Kaya. That's super kind of you to treat someone so well.
Third grade.
Mrs. Jenks wants to shout out third grader Antonio De Leva. She said that on a rainy day in the library when the class was rambunctious, Antonio was quiet, polite, and respectful. Thanks so much, Antonio.
Fourth grade.
Guest teacher Miss LaBounty wants to shout out fourth grader from Miss Seigen's class, Logan Toe. She said that Logan was a model student. He listened intently, got to work right away, and always had a positive attitude. Thanks so much, Logan.
5th grade.
Mrs. O'Brien wants to shout out 5th grade leader Liam Burdick. She said that Liam has been so helpful getting supplies together for our new student. He was also very thorough. We appreciate your leadership, Liam, in the classroom. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!